Marshall, thanks. It was great talking to you today. I mean, I loved listening to your presentation. I specialize in growth and innovation, and what I heard today, I can't wait to implement. As far as your coaching style and helping enable growth and innovation. Could you talk a little bit? Give the audience a taste of how important it is what you're teaching to changing in the organization.
Well, I have a book here that's critical to growth and innovation. It's called What Got You Here Won't Get You There. Mm-hmm. That's the whole purpose of the book, growth, innovation. You can't keep doing what you've been doing and expect things to be different. Mm-hmm. It doesn't work. You have to be willing to change. And as an organization changes, as a culture change, the leaders have to change. So the leaders need to learn to get feedback. They need to learn to identify their key stakeholders. They need to learn to pick the important new behaviors that are going to drive them towards success in the future, which are not necessarily the same ones from the past. Then they need to learn to build in some ongoing discipline, project management, and follow-up so they actually achieve positive long-term change in behavior that is totally consistent with the new innovation, totally consistent with the new direction, totally consistent with the new strategy of the company.
Okay. One of the best things that I think I've learned today was your concept of feed forward,
yes,
which is opposed to feedback, which introduces sort of a negative energy. Feed forward is a very positive energy.
Right.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
Well, in feed forward, what I teach people is to learn to ask for input, listen in a non-defensive way, and just say thank you. Don't promise to do everything people say, but say something like this. Let's say to lead innovation in the future, I've received feedback, and feedback tells you where you are first. The feed forward is where you go from there. And it indicates I need to be a better listener. I need to be more open if we're going to achieve innovation. Well, you know what? I want you to help me. You're an important stakeholder of mine. What change can I make to help achieve this positive, open, great listening environment that we're trying to promote throughout the organization? What it is to have for me, and I don't want you to talk about the past, we can't change it anyway. Let's talk about the future. And here's my commitment to you. I'm going to listen to what you say. I'm going to thank you. I'm not going to promise to do everything. On the other hand, I'm going to focus and do what I can, and I'm also going to follow up with you on a regular basis. Well, what we find in Feed Forward is leaders go through this process and follow up on a regular basis. They almost always achieve positive, lasting change in behavior, and this process has been documented around the world.
Great. Well, thank you, Marshall.
Thank you so much.